In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move images in Clipchamp quickly and easily. First, let's kick things off by heading over to Clipchamp. You can do this by opening your browser and typing in clipchamp.com. Or if you prefer, you can find the Clipchamp app directly on your computer if it's installed, especially if you have a Windows device. Now, if you're new to Clipchamp and haven't signed up yet, you'll see an option to try it for free. Go ahead and click on that. If you already have an account, simply click on the sign in button. Once you're on the sign in page, you'll see the option to continue with your Microsoft account. Clicking this will make the process seamless, as many users prefer this for its simplicity and security. After selecting your Microsoft account from the list, you'll find yourself on the Clipchamp homepage, ready to begin editing. Once you're at the homepage, locate the Create a New Video option. Clicking this will take you into the editor where all the magic happens. Now let's bring in your media files. At the top you'll find the Import Media button. Clicking that gives you the option to import files from your computer. Select the images or video files you want to include. Dragging and dropping files is also an option and can speed up the workflow. After importing your files, head over to your timeline. Drag your video file onto the timeline first if you have one. This gives you a foundational layer to work with. Now it's time to add your image. Click or drag your image onto the timeline just as you did with the video. Once your image is on the timeline, you might need to make a few adjustments to ensure it fits perfectly within your project. You can resize or reposition the image as needed. Don't rush this part. Taking your time here can make a significant difference in how polished your final product will look. To refine your work further, zooming in on your timeline will help you make precise edits frame by frame. Splitting the image frame by frame can help you place the image exactly where you want it. After making these adjustments, review your work carefully to ensure everything looks the way you envisioned. Finally, before wrapping up, take a moment to preview your video. This is your chance to see everything come together in real time and make any last minute tweaks if necessary. Previewing helps you spot checks for any mistakes or areas that need a bit more polishing. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, congratulations, you've successfully moved your images in Clipchamp. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to moving images in Clipchamp. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and feel more confident in your editing skills. Thank you for watching.